This is an introductory course to game development with Asha Akanksha Foundation. This course is for people who have some prior knowledge of programming in any language. No other prerequisites related to game development are assumed. So this course will cover the introduction to game development in Unity game engine. We would be covering 2D and 3D game development and will make 3 interesting projects along the way. So in the first part of the course, the first 2 hours will talk about Unity engine and C#. The next 4 hours, we would be creating a game which would teach us Unity 2D, assets, prefabs, scripting, etc. In the next 5 hours, we would be creating our second project which would teach us player movement, collisions, animations and audio. The last part of this course would teach us game development in 3D. Since this is a certified course, in order to obtain the certificate, please go through all the lecture videos and complete the projects. You can mail the projects to us on the given email IDs and you will be certified for the same.